For the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus, Samsung added another tool to its photographic arsenal, a variable aperture. This means that images taken with both phones should look sharper, have less image noise and better handle extreme lighting situations. The aperture of a lens determines the amount of light received by the camera's sensor. When my dad taught me to take pictures with a movie camera, he told me to think of the opening as his eyes. When it is bright, your eyes will narrow, and when it is dark your eyes will open. The opening inside a lens does the same for a camera. The Galaxy S9, on the other hand, has two opening configurations, one open and the other narrower. To obtain the best balance of exposure and sharpness for images, the S9 automatically switches between its two apertures. So, if you took a photo in a dark restaurant, the S9 could change to its grand opening to gather as much light as possible. This would not only help make the image look clearer, but it could also reduce the noise, that is, the fuzzy specifications you get when a picture is too dark. On a bright day, the S9 could use its narrow setting to prevent all sunlight from overexposing a shot. This has an additional benefit of improving the sharpness of a photo around the edges.